Ready, live, take two.
Changes where there are 5 John Abrahams, and every time we went into a new look, we had to change again. I think in 48 hours, I must have collectively changed around 70 odd times, 71, 72 times. It is a very ambitious project for me, a great script, and a great brand to be associated with, Philips. And what better way to launch the production house, though we've done a couple of commercials before. But it was great to see John Abraham Entertainment doing it, and it was great to have a director like Tarun Mansukhani on board, because I believe that this script deserved a director of his caliber.
इसमें 5 जॉन है, 5 रोल है उसके. मैं हमेशा चाहता था कि अगर हम लोग अब ये ऐड कर रहे हैं, मैं चाहता था कि आप जितने भी जॉन एक फ्रेम में देख सको साथ में तो बेहतर होगा, वरना उसका मज़ा नहीं आता. आप चीट कर रहे हो कि एक है, कोई दूसरा कुछ कर रहा है. तो उसकी वजह से हम लोग ने एक डिसाइड किया था कि हर शॉट जो है वो स्टैटिक शॉट होगा. हम कैमरा ज़्यादा हिलाएंगे नहीं, क्योंकि कंटेंट स्क्रिप्ट का बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग था. तो उसकी वजह से वी डोंट नीड टू फूल अराउंड विद द कैमरा. यू कैन जस्ट bring it out with dialogues and bring it out with actually seeing 5 Johns together.
I do brands that only complement what I am in real life. John Abraham always sports a stubble. John Abraham always sports a heavier stubble or a lighter stubble. And John Abraham has always used a Philly trimmer or a Philly shave. Now that this has officially come to India, it's like a blessing in disguise that I'm getting to endorse it. So as much as Philips may have wanted me on board, I think I wanted to do this commercial as well. So it makes me excited.
Why does he get to go on all the dates?
शक्ल देखिए, लड़की से दोस्ती करनी है, दोस्ताना नहीं.
ठीक है तो कह रहा है. Girls like friendship. You're Balwinder? It's friendship, not friendship.
तू कितना जा गया? लो डैडी.
I believe that today men's grooming has become so important that you have a product like this, the Philips trimmer and the Philips shaver, where you can actually style your stubble, और जो आपका stubble का length है, मतलब 1 day old stubble, 2 day old stubble, 3 day old stubble, you can adjust it accordingly. ये जो है, ये 2 दिन का stubble, 1 दिन का stubble है, और ये मैंने इसके साथ मैंने trim किया था. And I've actually got it down to a 1 day with this. So I think male grooming has become very important. और male grooming के साथ styling has become very important. ये styling का मतलब ये नहीं है आज के तारीख में कि आप पूरा shave कर दो या पूरा stubble, you have a full stubble. It's different lengths of a stubble, different styles. जो इस commercial में हमने दिखाया है. There's a goatee, there's a handlebar mustache, there's a full stubble, there's a French beard. तो बहुत सारे styles दिखाए हम लोग ने इस commercial में, and they look so good, so exciting.
I don't think a lot of people have seen John in such varied variations of facial hair. So I think he's definitely gone out there and taken a chance and trying to do something different, which I really like about him, because he's always open for things like that.
John is perfect for the Philips grooming kit because he's somebody who sports a stubble. We've seen him with long hair, short hair, without clothes, with clothes, clean shaven on the body, all of that. This is a product that I think he uses every day in his life. He is the perfect person to be the brand ambassador for this.
Style for John Abraham is just being the way he is, and there are products like the Philips trimmer, Philly shave, or certain products like even his bikes or his oils that he uses that adds value to John Abraham. So I think that's how I add value to my quotient, and I endorse products that only add value to them. Otherwise, I don't think working with John Abraham makes a lot of sense outside.